How to one name on Facebook. So if you want to use a single name on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center. Under account center, tap on profiles and select the profile like the Facebook or Instagram. So in this case, you need to choose or select Facebook and tap on name, and then from here you'll be able to change your name. So remove the last name and you can add some space or a character, or you can also just simply go with the dash, and after that tap on review change, and after tapping on review change you'll be able to change your name. But remember, you can only change your name once every 60 days. So if you change your name now, then you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So select a good name and then go with review change, and after that you'll be able to change your name. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.